In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glass effect in Canva. This technique gives your design that modern, frosted look you see in sleek interfaces and hero banners. We'll set up precise guides, duplicate the image, soften it with blur, round the corners, and finish with a refined gradient stroke so it feels like real glass. Start inside your Canva design and open the File menu. From there, go to Settings, then choose Add Guides. Switch to the Custom option so you can control exactly where the guides sit. Set all existing values to 0 to clear anything that might already be in place. Then set the margins to 200 and 120 as shown in your interface. This creates a clean, consistent boundary that will frame your glass element. Click Add Guides to confirm. If you don't immediately see them, zoom in a bit. Canva's guides are subtle, but they'll snap objects nicely once they're there. Now select your image and duplicate it. Working with a duplicated layer lets you blur only the section that becomes your glass panel, while keeping the original background crisp. Drag the duplicate so its edges align perfectly with the guidelines you just added. You should feel it snap into place, which helps keep proportions tidy and centered. With the duplicate still selected, round the corners to 60 using the corner rounding control. This softens the panel and makes it feel more like a polished piece of glass rather than a hard-edged card. Next, open Edit on that duplicate. Choose See All to expand the editing options, then select Blur. Apply the blur to the whole image so the entire panel gets the same frosted treatment and set the intensity to 60. This level creates separation without losing the context of what's behind it. If your background is very busy or very minimal, you can fine-tune later, but 60 is a great starting point. To sell the glass look, give the panel a delicate border. Open stroke style, set the stroke weight to 5 for a thin, premium edge, then change the color. Choose a gradient linear color to mimic light catching the edge of glass. Position the gradient so the lighter tone sits where your light source would hit, and the darker tone fades along the opposite edge for a subtle highlight and shadow effect. That's it. You've set precise guides, aligned a duplicated image, rounded the corners, applied a balanced blur, and finished with a gradient stroke for a clean, convincing glass effect in Canva.